Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a black mask to a image background image and then use this type of hover effect. Okay, so now what we have here is we have a header and we give class hero to it. Then we have a section of a main. We will not work on this section, so let's get started. So what we will do here, we first make a div for a background image. Let me do it. Div and give a class hero image. Hero image. Then we will close this div. Let's add a comment so that we can never get confused. Hero image. Next what we will do here, let's run the live preview so we will see what we are doing. So you can see there is nothing showing up here. So let's add a title to it, website title. So let me make another div which will contain the title and the tagline. Div uh, and give a class. I will give a class container to it. Now we will add two elements, h1 and span. H1 for the website heading. We will give a class of title to it, and let me give a title. Next, what we will do here, we will add a span, and class will be tagline. This is the tagline of the website. So I guess we are done here. Let's style this. Let's save it first, save it. Then we will go to styles. Uh, Here I have already added some comments to it, so we will use these comments. We will use the reusable CSS properties. So first one was, let me see to it. First one was hero. Hero is a header dot hero. Okay, so we will add a width of 100 VH to it and height of 80 VH, as we want it to not to be full screen, so we will add a height of 80 VH, so it will be up to here. Next we will add a class that is hero image. So let's add our class that is hero image, hero dash img, hero image. We will give a background property to it, and we will use multiple backgrounds as we want to give a layer that is a black layer to it, so we will use a multiple background. So first we will give a linear gradient, and we want it to be only of black color. I want that the gradient should be only of black color as it acts as a layer to it. So we will add RGBA format, red, green, blue, and something. What does A stand for? If you know, comment me down. 0, 0, 0, 0.5. Last one is the opacity, and rest is the colors. 000 is black and opacity of 0.5. So you can see it will look like this. Next we will add another color, RGBA and it will also be a black color. 0, 0, 0, 0.5 of same opacity. Let me first give a height and width to it so we can see what's happening. HEIGST height. Height of 100%, 100%, and width of 100%. Then we add another image, another background, that is a image URL. So images is in the image section. That is a pizza beer. Weird combination. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. It's not showing up there. So what's the problem? Let me inspect it. This is our hero image. Hero image. Here it is. It has height equal to. Why it is not showing there? Let me see here. Oh, here's the spelling mistake. RBGA. RGBA. There we go. We got our image, but it's not covering the whole. So what we can do here is, so we will add a background size equal to cover, and background position equal to, I think it's, we want to center it. Background position is center. What is wrong with this? This section is correct. This is also correct. Oh, VH. We want it to be VW. VW. So there we go. Yeah, you can see it's working. Next, we want to add a property called background repeat and no repeat, so that it cannot repeat. The image cannot repeat. So I think it's all done. Next, we want to style our next class, that is container. We want this to be in the center. We want this website and the tagline to be here, somewhat here. So what we will use it, container. Container. So what we will do is we will add a position of absolute to it. Position absolute. As we have add a position absolute to the container, so we will need to add a position of relative to the containing block, that is the hero class. Position of relative. We want to center it here, somewhat here. So left is 50%, top, what the heck, top is 50%, but you can see it's not fully centered. So what will we do? We will do a trick. Almost everybody knows that. We will use a transform translate minus 50% and minus 50%. So now you can see it's all in the middle of the containing block vertically as well as horizontally. So here we go. Next we want a border like this. So what we will do is add a border of 4 pixel. Next the color will be, I think, what I have it is, it's up to you. Let's add aqua, AQUA, aqua to it. Uh, Another thing, we want a solid background, so we will add a solid. So we got a background here. We want the text to be of same color, so color equal to aqua. Here it is. Next we want a padding, so padding is 20 pixel or 30 pixel. 30 is perfect. Yeah, 30 is perfect. Or we can add another padding. So this one is top and bottom. This one is left and right. So we will add a 40, or we can, no, I am happy with it. We can also add a width to it. That is width is 50%, 60%. So width of 60% is perfect. Then we will make the height auto. So it will automatically adjust itself. I'm happy with it. Yeah. We can also add a border radius, which we didn't did in this example. So, but here I will add one border. Oh, radius. Radius of might be 8 pixel or 10. Yeah, it's perfect. Next, we will style the next class, that is the title. One thing I remember, that I want it to be text to be aligned centered. So text align is center. Now what I will do here is, when I hover this hero, this header section which has the class hero, so this will this will scale itself to approx 1.25 or something like that, and the black mask should be removed. So what we will do here is, we will add dot hero colon hover, that is on hovering. On hovering, what we want is background to be only the image. URL images is the beer. Then we want to scale it bigger. So transform scale 1.25 comma 1.25. Perfect. Let's just see what we are doing here. It's not working. Okay, so what we did here is, we didn't add a transform scale to the hero image. So let's just add it. We want it to be 1. So normal scale means it doesn't expand itself, and here we want it to be 1.25. Another thing I want to tell you is there's a selector which is this. What this does is it will select the child element. So we have the hero has a child of hero image, so we will select this. So when this hero is hovered, we want the child element hero image to change its background and also a transform effect on it. So let's just add hero image. So it's working, but not like that. So what we will do here is we will just copy this background cover and background position and background repeat, copy and paste it here. So the new background will be of size cover, that it will cover the whole width, then position is centered and background is no repeat. That image will not repeat itself. But this transition is not that good, you can see. So what we will do here is transition. We will make a transition from transform. It will be linear and 150 millisecond is okay. We will also add a transition to the background. So let me just copy it and paste it. Copy and paste. So there we go. It took 150 millisecond to make the transition. So it looks nice. But we can see here is the height is normally the height is up to here, but when we hover it expands, so we can see a scroll bar here. You can see a scroll bar here and the height also increases. You can see now it's working. We had just made this here. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video I will show you how you can make a border of different shape. Just like this video, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, thank you for watching this video.